Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: home remedies for heart blockage. Now before we get started, remember these remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing any heart problems, it's crucial to consult with your doctor. But alongside traditional medical treatments, there are natural ways to support your heart health and potentially help prevent further complications. Think of it like this: you wouldn't skip your prescribed medication, but you'd also make sure you're eating a balanced diet and getting enough sleep, right? That's what we're focusing on today. Those additional steps you can take to give your heart the best chance possible. Let's get started. We all know that food is fuel, but did you know that the right foods can actually help keep your heart healthy? When we talk about heart blockage, we're talking about the buildup of plaque in your arteries. Kind of like how gunk can build up in a pipe. A healthy diet won't magically clear those blockages, but it can help prevent things from getting worse. And that's where the power of your plate comes in. What you eat directly impacts your cholesterol levels, your blood pressure, and your overall heart health. So, what does a heart-healthy diet look like? Think of it like building a colorful and delicious rainbow on your plate. Load up on fruits and vegetables. They're packed with antioxidants and fiber, which can help lower your cholesterol. Next, choose whole grains over refined grains. Think brown rice instead of white rice, whole wheat bread instead of white bread. These swaps give you more fiber and nutrients. And when it comes to protein, opt for lean sources like fish, beans, lentils, and chicken. Remember, moderation is key. This isn't about deprivation, it's about making sustainable choices that nourish your body and support your heart health. Small changes over time can make a big difference. Garlic, that pungent little bulb we use to add flavor to our dishes, is more than just a culinary staple. It's been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern science is starting to back up some of those traditional uses, especially when it comes to heart health. One of the ways garlic may help is by lowering cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol contribute to plaque buildup in the arteries, so keeping those levels in check is crucial. Some studies suggest that garlic may help improve blood circulation by relaxing blood vessels. This is important because when blood vessels are relaxed, blood can flow more easily, reducing the strain on your heart. Now, it's important to note that more research is needed to confirm these benefits and to determine the optimal dosage and form of garlic for heart health. But incorporating garlic into your diet is generally safe and easy to do. Add it to your stir-fries, soups, stews, or even roast a whole head of garlic for a delicious and nutritious treat. Turmeric, that vibrant yellow spice that gives curry its signature color, is having a moment in the wellness world, and for good reason. This ancient spice is packed with antioxidants, particularly a powerful compound called curcumin, which is responsible for many of turmeric's health benefits. When it comes to heart health, curcumin has shown promise in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major culprit in many health problems, including heart disease. By helping to reduce inflammation, turmeric may help protect the arteries from damage and reduce the risk of plaque buildup. But the benefits of turmeric don't stop there. Some studies suggest that curcumin may also help lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, both of which are important for maintaining a healthy heart. Now, incorporating turmeric into your diet is easier than you might think. You can add it to smoothies, soups, stews, or even just sprinkle it on roasted vegetables for an extra flavor and health boost. Green tea has long been hailed for its health benefits, and for good reason. This beverage is packed with antioxidants, particularly a group called catechins, which are thought to be responsible for many of green tea's positive effects on health. When it comes to your heart, green tea may help in several ways. First, the catechins in green tea may help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries. Second, green tea may help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, both of which are essential for a healthy heart. And if that wasn't enough, some studies suggest that green tea may even help protect the heart from damage caused by oxidative stress. So, how much green tea do you need to drink to reap these benefits? While more research is needed to determine the optimal amount, even a cup or two a day can be a healthy addition to your diet. You've probably heard that fat is bad for you, but not all fats are created equal. In fact, some fats, like omega-3 fatty acids, are essential for good health, especially for your heart. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that our bodies need but can't produce on their own, so we have to get them from our diet. So, why are omega-3s so important for heart health? Well, they've been shown to lower triglyceride levels, a type of fat found in the blood that, when elevated, can increase the risk of heart disease. Omega-3s may also help reduce blood pressure, lower the risk of blood clots forming in the arteries, and reduce inflammation, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. So how can you make sure you're getting enough of these heart-healthy fats? Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s. We all know that exercise is good for us, but it's not just about fitting into our favorite jeans. Regular physical activity is crucial for a healthy heart, and it can be enjoyable too. Think of it this way: your heart is a muscle, and just like any other muscle in your body, it needs exercise to stay strong. When you engage in physical activity, you're literally giving your heart a workout. It has to work harder to pump blood to your working muscles, which strengthens the heart muscle over time. This means a stronger heart that can pump blood more efficiently, even at rest. Regular exercise also helps lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce stress, all important factors for a healthy heart. And the best part? You don't have to become a marathon runner to reap the benefits. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, dancing, or anything else that gets your heart rate up and makes you break a sweat. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. But did you know that chronic stress can take a toll on your heart health? When you're constantly stressed, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which can raise your blood pressure and heart rate. Over time, this constant strain can damage your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. That's why finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for a happy heart. And the good news is, there are many simple yet effective techniques you can incorporate into your daily life. One powerful technique is meditation. Meditation involves focusing your mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Studies have shown that regular meditation can help lower blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, and even improve sleep quality, all of which benefit your heart health. But meditation isn't the only way to de-stress. Other effective techniques include deep breathing exercises, yoga, spending time in nature, listening to calming music, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. Remember, taking care of your heart is a lifelong journey. It's about making conscious choices every day that support your overall well-being. By incorporating some of these natural remedies into your routine, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier and happier heart. Stay healthy and take care.